Day world. Making a new cabin door for the 1996 Maxum 2400 SCR. You guys might see in another video about the AC where I made this shorter door and that old ass step right there to go over a window AC unit that worked great for 4 years. The step and the door just made out of regular wood. I got real lazy, didn't cover the boat up for a while. Got some rain on it, now the door's just warped. It's basically trashed. Going a new route with the AC, so making a new door. Here is the factory door that got cracked in half after about 2 days of owning the boat. It's got a lock that goes right here. There's nothing on the internet about how to get this lock in and out. Well, I finally figured it out. It's got a spring-loaded deals here on the side. And those spring-loaded deals slides down and they pop out in this channel here. And over here I've got a $100 piece of king starboard. It is 3/8 of an inch thick, and I believe it is 24 by 54, and that was $100 on eBay. And that stuff's supposed to cut just like wood with a regular saw. And touch base better on this lock. So the thing right here, if you push that in, you see the top one moves. Push the other one in, the bottom one moves. So to get it out of the door, you're probably gonna have to use like 2 little flathead screwdrivers and just run those little plastic teeth deal opposite directions, and that will pull the tabs in so you can remove it from the door. Alright, so got the door made, got it installed, working on putting the little latch deals in. Figured I would show you guys something I learned today. The factory door catch is this old plastic crap. It's just wore out. It doesn't want to stay together. It was pretty wore out on the old shit, didn't even use it. But what I learned today, so I got this new stuff from West Marine. It's adjustable. It's got a screw on the top, a screw on the bottom. You can adjust the tension on the little balls. But the other piece screwed right into the same holes as the factory stuff. So that's not a big deal, right? But how do you put the other end of that onto the door? Well, I'll show you what I did. I put a strip of just regular blue painter's tape, and I put some red grease. I stuck this end on here, put the tape on the door, put a bunch of red grease on the back side of that. Now my intentions were to just transfer a grease mark over to the door so I knew where to drill my holes, but it worked even better than that. The whole thing went with it, so it stuck right there to the door. I was able to just drill some pilot holes with the drill, put the screws in it, and voila, I got a door catch. Now, like I said, it is adjustable. I just tighten the screws up a little bit, but that worked great for installing it. And then up here I got the door lock. It does drag just a smidge on the door, but it's the way I like it. That way, if I don't want the door flopping around while I'm driving a boat up on the plane, I can just close it, and it's got enough grab on it that it won't just come flying open whenever the boat's in motion. So there you have it.